It is our main event here on Super SmackDown on Fox. Rude cover and a kick out. It is Rude, Ziggler, and Corbin against Reigns and the Usos. And that, folks, is very smelly, very disgusting, very soupy dog food.
And in a matter of moments, Roman Reigns and the Usos will feast like it's Thanksgiving Day.
Corey, you're getting ahead of yourself because the loser of this match will eat dog food here tonight. An unprecedented moment on Friday Night SmackDown. Who will it be? Find out here tonight as the Usos are battling back in this six-man tag team matchup. And Rude again, kick right to the midsection. Can you imagine what's going through the minds of these competitors? Not only do you lose in the main event on Fox on the eve of the big game, of course, on Sunday, but you might have to eat dog food.
Well, I guarantee you, if you have to eat this dog food, you're going to be spending Sunday in the bathroom with your head in the toilet.
Rude trying to make a tag. Can he get there? Does. Here's Ziggler. Now the legal man. Ziggler, nobody home, bounces off the top turnbuckle.
Ziggler hung up in the ropes momentarily. There's a big opportunity for Jey Uso to make the tag. Roman Reigns anxious to join the fight.
Roman Reigns desperately wants in this match. Tag made to King Corbin. And Corbin, a cheap shot, knocks the big dog off the apron. And now posting the Usos. Then a kick out.
Finish him! Finish him!
So the loser goes that.
Look at it!
I don't even know. Is that a bucket? Is that a vat?
Whatever it is, it
smells like
stinks.
death.
And look at fighting out of the corner now. Kick to Corbin's face. Reigns is back on the apron. Big moment in our main event here tonight. Tag made. Here comes the big dog.
Look out, Corbin.
I think King Corbin's seen enough of Roman Reigns to last a lifetime. There's Reigns. Big old smile on the face of Roman Reigns. Incredible this past Sunday. Falls count anywhere at Minute Maid Park. These two men battled all over that field, in the outfield, the warning track, even on the dugouts.
Yeah, and Roman Reigns nearly speared Corbin in half on top of the dugout.
Big boot. And I'm getting so anxious. I'm getting so excited because the King may be eating dog food in a matter of moments.
How dare you besmirch, I can't even say the word, and I'm so upset, besmirch the good name of King Corbin. I'm nervous for Corbin.
Reigns locked and loaded. Dolph Ziggler on the apron, runs into a right hand. And that I thought was going to allow King Corbin to get back into this match. Ducks underneath. Reigns went for the Superman punch. Nope. Choke slam by Corbin for the win. Reigns is going to eat the food now, and a kick out at two. Roman Reigns survives.
Roman Reigns knows all too well what it feels like to be slathered in this disgusting dog food. He's going to get it tenfold tonight. That's going to be a whole case, maybe 2 cases of dog food.
Driven into the steps. And King Corbin comes over here to get a sneak peek. Hey, Corbin started all this, by the way.
And Corbin's going to finish it.
And Roman Reigns trying to fight back into this match. Couple of uppercuts by Reigns. Rude now into the ring. The official going to back Rude off. This allows Dolph Ziggler with a super kick.
The only thing Reigns is going to be finishing tonight is his dog food dinner.
Deep 6 by Corbin. Cover now. Is Reigns going to eat dog food? Almost 2.5. Reigns knows the humiliation. He knows the embarrassment. He had dog food poured all over him last month at the hands of these 3 men.
Jimmy Uso.
Look at God! Rude set over the announce table. He was trying to hand a scepter to the King, and the Usos thwarted it.
Superman punch.
Cover by Reigns. Hook of the leg isn't enough. Dolph Ziggler breaking it up. a super kick.
Jey Uso picking up steam.
Ziggler's driven over onto our announce table. And down to the floor below. And the Usos burying Ziggler.
Corbin averts the spear.
Roll up by Reigns. Shoulders are down. Let him eat cake. I mean, dog food. The cake's gonna eat dog food.
Here are your winners, the Usos and Roman Reigns.
No. This has been a mistake.
King Corbin. Pucker up. Get the salt and pepper. Bring out the utensils. Corbin's gonna eat the dog food.
Oh no. Rude and Ziggler are trapped under the announce table. It's 3-on-1.
And the Usos, look what they got, Corey. Look what the Usos got. They're shackling Corbin. Much like the Corbin did to Roman Reigns. King Corbin desperately trying to get out of the way, but he's got nowhere to go. He's being handcuffed.
Got him. We got him.
Corbin's been snagged. He's truly in the Uso penitentiary.
King Corbin's trying to fight his way away from the Usos.
Oh, yes, sir.
That'll take the fight out of you.
That's going to create some indigestion.
Oh, you've got all the jokes now, don't you, Cole? Can you imagine what this disgusting dog food's going to do to King Corbin's dietary tract? He eats exclusively Wagyu beef.
Oh, yes, sir.
Wow, this is beef for Waggers. Oh, look at this! Roman Reigns. He's got to be loving this because this is what Corbin did to Reigns.
This is not necessary.
King Corbin's got nowhere to go.
Jimmy Jey, have a heart.
Corbin's trapped.
There are dogs that need this food.
Yeah, wheel it over there, guys. Wheel the whole tray over. King Corbin's gonna have to eat dog food. Take your medicine, King.
Oh, God. This is so gross.
Corey, this is the appetizer portion. Quiet. This is important. Oh, my God. What the humiliation. Oh, my God. Dog food. He's covered in dog food. Reigns with a smile on his face. The Usos laughing as well. Sweet, sweet revenge for the big dog.
No.
Another bucket of slop. God, it smells like a kettle out here. That'll be the front page at WWE.com tomorrow morning. What a photo op.
Do we have to watch this again?
King Corbin has been reduced to a puppy. Good night from Tulsa, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the big game Sunday on Fox. I'm sure King Corbin will.